Alright, so I created a nice little YouTube video and that junk just failed. There was audio issues and whatnot. But I'm going to go ahead and do this off my cell phone. Show you all that trading can be easily done with your cell phone. The key parts tonight I want to teach you all is how I look at the screen and pretty much how to create channels. So I'm going to do another screenshot and share with you all that post I made about creating channels. So with this, actually, I'm going to go back. So I'm looking at the SP500 first. As you see, we clearly has been making higher highs. So pretty much a higher highs. You see how it goes up here, down here, about right here. Dips up, never breaks the support down here. And we've just been continually uptrending as a market. As you can see, we're still clearly in uptrend. I am going to show you how to draw a channel right quick. So I'm going to do from here. Wait, something happened to my screen. There we go. So I'm going to try to zoom in as far as I can. And I'm going to create a channel here. Oh wait, actually, I'm about to do this. So, right here, right there. So that's actually pretty ugly. Try it again. Right there, right there, right there. The only two parts I really care about is connecting these two together. And the same one right here, right here. And I'm going to try to connect these two together. And pretty much that's how we're going to create a trend right here, or a channel. So right there. So what happened in the market, it went here, 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 touching here. Now, as you can see, if you connect these two parts right here, you can see why it logically kind of makes sense why there's a short right here. Where is your next logical guess where you think the market's going to hit and bounce off of? Hopefully right here, or right there, right? As soon as it touches this line or get near this line, there's two things. Either the market's going to go up or the market's going to go down. Now, if we start to make a downtrending market, right there. So because of this extension right here, our support leg is right here. There is a zone right here where it's not maybe bad to really look carefully at the market. If it gets halfway in here, I don't know, you can set your positions and wait for it to start coming back up again. Or buy and hold and, hopefully it comes back up. And yeah, so that's pretty much how you do it. And what you would do is once you get close to these zones, try to do it here. Right now, I need to exit this. This app is always fickly sometime. There you go. So I can do this. Wait, there we go. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there. The key part here is that there was two touches right here. Let's make this a very interesting spot right here. Hopefully the market bounces off of here and create higher highs. So we're gonna go down to the weekly, the daily. As you see, we was given some life here. See that bounce right there? So we shall see. This is the best way to explain it. We shall see. It did bounce right there. We're going to see if it continue. There. Let's see if it continues going up this way. Or if the market retraces about 50%, it goes this way. Honestly, I'll tell you though, it doesn't look good for a possible. I personally don't think. I could be wrong. I don't think the market's going to hit here and just shoot back up. But then again, I might just be pessimistic. So let's exit out of here. All right. Yeah, so I don't know. That wraps that up with the SP 500. So let's have some fun. I'm going to short this up because this video might take a while. I'm going to go to, let's look at Clorox. Wait. Same thing as well. So I'm going to look at the monthly just because I think stocks are slow and I like to take my time with stocks. Okay, so Clorox, as you can tell, wait, no, where is it? There we go. We broke here, so it actually made a new higher high, which makes the support right there. If Clorox breaks this level, which is probably a good time to short it. If it breaks here, this line right here is going to tell you a lot. It's going to tell you either we're going to continue to make higher highs and have a retest right there, or go lower. It's really simple. It's going to go one way or the other. But it did break that resistance. And it'll be interesting to monitor how far of extension this may go. Especially with the coronavirus. The way I'm hearing that hand sanitizers are being outsold in grocery stores. Like out of stock kind of craziness. Who knows? It might surge up. Until the coronavirus finds a cure, and it's probably going to short like crazy. I don't know. But this is what I see. So, what I see is on a monthly, wait, no. I'll create a nice little channel. Now, here's where it's a little bit of an art. I'm looking for the support area, so I'm looking at this line, maybe this line. Try to connect these together. And then I'm going to connect this line and this line. Just to follow, wait, that was wrong. Follow how much of an angle we're going to get. And this will be an interesting line if it does touch this line, if it touches this line. I'll look for opportunity to get out of a position if, that's what I wanted to do. Same one with this one. So, this is a little bit more harder. Probably connect these two together. Wait, there you go. So I go through all those wicks. And we create a nice little channel right there. And it's going to play in that channel until it either breaks that channel. And to see the break, we're going to go down to a smaller time frame. And, well, of course, I didn't really draw the trend line. But you'll go to a smaller time frame to identify a break. All right, I'm going to do one more and call it a wrap. So, cool. These are pretty much stocks. We're going to go to a currency pair, which is the Euro Australian dollar. So, as you see, I already marked this chart up. I saw some things here which was interesting. Oh. So wait, not off the monthly, off the 4 hour, because the Forex market moves much faster, so I don't need that much time to make money. Wait, what? Scroll out. Huh. Well, actually, I think I had to go to the daily because I couldn't see nothing on the 4 hour. So on the daily, I created a nice little channel. So I'm gonna try to flip my screen and hopefully it records it. I'm pretty sure it will. You just gotta flip your screen too. See, I connected. Well, yeah, this. I think you can see where my cursor's at actually. In this area right there. Connect to those two areas. Create a nice little support, nice little resistance. This is currently where the market's at. It's currently bouncing off of this line right there. So what I would do is go to the 4 hour. Actually, I wouldn't go to 4 hour. So as you see, it bounced that line right there. I'm looking for all signs of continuation of a break. So by going to a small time frame, I was able to create another line from here. Wait, whoa. I think I just created an imaginary line. Oh, wait. I think this line is off, actually. It should be like this. No. Oh, it's like this. I remember. Wait, no. It was something like this. There we go. So we don't want to go through bodies. We only want to go through wicks. I can move this over a little bit more. All right. There we go. Cool. And pretty much if it breaks that line, I'm going to screenshot this. If it's going to hit this line. Now, I think it's going to break this line and we have all this room for money. I mean, like I said before, hit this line. It can go down and go back up. And all I would do is just readjust my trend line to touch that. But what I'm looking at is a good possible for a sell down there. Plenty opportunity. And the reason why, well, go back. What the heck? There we go. The reason I like, okay, I'm just going to discard this. The reason I like this trade so much, personally, is because my risk is only up here. My potential gain is all the way down there. It's a lot of money. I'll take that. I'll take these odds. And to increase my odds, I would actually go down to the 1 hour or even smaller time frame, 15 minutes actually, and pretty much play this game of ideally in short you want to be this guy or you want to be this guy. Okay, of course, everybody wants to be that guy, but chances are you're going to either be this guy or that guy. And the goal is to ride him all the way down to the break happens, and then ride it all the way down. Hopefully, this guy stays in the game, but you know, only the market is going to show you, and time will tell. But that's what I'm seeing out of here, and to keep your risk small. It's you can see the short from up here. As soon as it broke, hold on, I'm gonna delete some of this stuff. No, I'm gonna delete all of this. as soon as it broke, here's that liner up here. You got a battle game going on right here. So you get in here, put your stop loss right there. You can get knocked out right there. It's the same game right there. Get in right here, stop loss is up here. Now, still, you lost this one time, and this was a possible loss, but our potential reward goes all the way down to our bigger time frame, and that's how you get a 10-to-1 risk reward ratio, 20-to-1, even 30-to-1. I'm not sure how big this one is, but that's how you get those type of risk reward ratios. And at the end of the day, no matter what strategy you got, risk reward is going to be the biggest part. So, yeah, that is it. So I'm gonna do these three. I think I'm done here.